Home assignment class 6 by Sir Abdul Basit. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hopefully you are doing good. This is your week 1 class 6. The first day is about maintenance of notebook. You will have to maintain a notebook first of all by dividing your notebook in 3 different sections: reading, grammar and writing. Then we will be following from first section, which is about making the title and cover page of notebook with name, class and subject. After cover page and index pages, you will design a title for midterm. Then in the next page you will design the title for your unit 1, which is our duty to our flag. Must mention the date and page number of each and every chapter, no matter in which chapter you are doing the written work, reading, grammar or writing. In whatever section you are doing, you will have to be very careful in putting the date and page number of unit. Then you will use the black pen for questions and blue pen for the rest of the things. The next day you will read the complete chapter our duty to our flag and underline 10 new words, at least 10 new words, and then you can underline these words in your notebook, in your textbook. And then on the same day you will search out the meanings of these 10 words and you will write down the meanings and the words in your reading section. Next day you will share the understanding of unit 1. Whatever you have understood from unit 1, you can share it with any of your elder or sibling. And then you will solve question number 4 of exercise B, which is you can find out on page number 3. This exercise and this activity is about a summary. A summary is given here and there are some gaps. You just need to fill out the gaps by putting the appropriate words. Some clues are also given. In order to complete this activity, you can take help from the main idea of question number 2 of exercise B, which is also mentioned on page number 2. Next day you will solve question number 1 of exercise B of unit 1, which is about some questions are given here and you just need to answer the following questions. In this activity and this exercise will also be done in your reading section. Your next day, which is the last day of your week, is reading question number 2. You will read question number 2 of exercise B, which is about a main idea, as I mentioned, that you just need to read this activity. This is an oral activity, so you cannot do any written work in any textbook, so you just need to read this activity. At last, to question number 8, solve question number 3 of exercise B of unit 1, page number 3. On page number 3 there is a gapped summary, which is basically key features, that how can you use these key features and these points to complete the gapped summary. Gapped summary is basically one of the techniques for writing a summary, and in order to you just need to make this mind map in the reading section as well, and further whenever we will having an activity, so that we can take help from the gapped summary. So make as it is mind map in your reading section. Jazakallah.